Libra. This is a Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of February. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Okay. Kamusta mga Libra? May gustong balikan? Okay. Trying to think of a love offer sa isang person from your past. Libra. Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of February. Kamusta mga Libra? Kamusta? Kamusta? Re-remind ko lang ulit kayo, hindi po ako magme-message sa inyo isa-isa. So kung meron mga nagme-message sa inyo, hindi po ako yon. Mag-ingat sa mga scammer na hihingi ng pera. Okay. Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus reading for the month of February. Okay? PM nyo lang din ako para sa inyong mga crystals. Meron tayong special promo. Okay? Kapag bumili kayo ng 2 pieces and more. Okay? Yung parang set, bundle. Okay? Libra Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus for the month of February. Okay, offer. Thinking of giving an offer. Ang masculine. Let's see. Ano tong offer na to? Special offer. Electrolux ba to? Okay, Judgment in reverse. Nagkaroon ng maling decision in the past. Hindi nag-move forward ang relationship na to. May mga pangako, may mga plano na hindi nag-move forward. Kung may nangako na like to see you, to travel to see you, may mga travel din na hindi natuloy, may mga decision na mali, hindi na nag-move forward ng mga plano. Okay? And because of that, parang may naumay. Sabi is parang, ay, wala namang nangyari. Hindi nag-move forward. Parang, olats, maling decision to. Judgment in reverse. So, someone walk away from this connection. Someone feels sad and betrayed at maraming doubts, maraming questions. Bakit nagkaganito? Bakit may betrayal? Bakit, you know, bakit nag-transpire yung ganitong chapter sa relationship na to? But I feel someone feels stuck sa isang feminine energy. But I feel the feminine has already let go of this connection. Energetically, probably someone is still holding on. Ito kasi yung challenging, no? If you're trying to cut cords, kahit halimbawa ikaw, you're willing to cut cords and someone is like trying to create another cord sa'yo, so dapat continuous, no? You cut cords if talagang you're not willing to have any connection anymore. Okay? Someone wants to offer. Okay. In the past, may nag-offer, maraming pangako, victory, very hopeful, napakagandang pangako. But I feel walang nangyari, so nagkaroon ng abrupt ending ang relationship na to. And because of that, someone wants to, like, mag-offer na naman. Okay? Na parang, hindi pa tapos, i-offer ko to, just, like, patience. Parang ganun yung energy. But sabi nung feminine, yung empress, alam niya yung deserve niya. Sabi niya, wala na to. Masyado na daw niyang napag-isipan to at wala siyang nakikitang victory or even truth dun sa mga pangako or situation na to. Wala rin ako nakikitang solid na pangako or traditional relationship here. Someone just, parang the feminine is observing kung anong klaseng relationship or commitment ang dala ng masculine sa connection na to, Libra. Okay? And it feels like someone is not ready to commit or talagang ang gusto niya is casual connection lang na parang tawagan kita if I need you. At kung ano man yung na-reveal na yan, hindi yan nagustuhan ng feminine because sabi ng feminine, alam niya yung standards niya, alam niya yung gusto niya, alam niya kung sino yung tatanggapin niya at welcome sa buhay niya. Okay? Wala naman ako nakita. This is just avoiding conflict. Nagkakaroon ng plano. But someone is having overthinking here. The feminine is ready to, like, may script na yung feminine, no? If ever na bumalik yung masculine here, sabi niya, pag bumalik tong masculine na to, at ang offer lang niya is puro, ayusin natin ang words. It's just the passionate connection at naramdaman niyang hanggang doon lang, na parang, this masculine is so addicted with sex. na sabi niya, kung yan lang gusto mo, hindi ako interesado. You know, find someone else na kapareho mo nung devil energy, ng addiction, ng fetish with just having, you know, casual connections. Doon ka kung saan walang gulo. Kung gusto mo ng casual connection, you look for someone who is open for casual connection. If you want open relationship, walang commitment, no strings attached, look for someone who is open for that. But sabi ng feminine, alam niya yung gusto niya. The feminine is like craving for a relationship, pero sabi niya, something na traditional, something na long-term, something na maayos, dissenting tao, dissenting love, you know, not just hook up. Okay? At hindi nakikita ng feminine here, ng Empress, yung victory sa love situation na to. Kaya nagkaroon din ng ending, okay? And someone wants to reconnect. Sabi ng masculine, gusto niyang mag-reconnect. Let's see. Yan lang naman yun, di ba? If ever na mag-start ka ng any connection, romantic, passionate connection, di ba? Pag gusto mo ng commitment, tanongin mo muna, ready ka ba for commitment? Kasi pag hindi, edi hanap ka ng ready rin for commitment. Dapat may honesty. Kasi kung gusto mo maglaro, hanap ka rin ng naglalaro, di ba? Kasi that's unfair if you're investing your time, your love, yung pagtitiwala mo at magugulat ka na lang, hindi, mali pala yung binenta sa'yo. Okay? So, the reason for the reading is wala ako nakitang long-term instability here because someone lied and cheated in this connection. Maraming ipinangakong long-term stability, pera, ganito yan, pangako ko, magkakaroon tayo niyan. Pag sa akin, ganito, may bahay tayo, may kotse tayo, lilipat tayo niyan, bibili tayo niyan, okay? But everything is a lie. Na naging malaking burden for this connection because everything was built on lies. It's a sandcastle na tumikatik lang ang ambon, gumuhuna. Okay? Sabi ng mga Libra, recent past, nagkaroon siya ng decision here, napunta siya sa crossroads. Ano ba talaga yung dapat gawin? Ano ba talaga yung gusto niya? Ano ba talaga yung pipiliin? Iintayin ba yung tao na to or not? Tama ba tong tao na to or not? Okay? I feel this is more on the side of the masculine. Kasi iniisip niya, parang hindi rin niya kayang iwanan ng masculine yung buhay bachelor niya. Yung buhay niya na like casual lang. Ngayon, si Aida, si Lorna, si Fe. Okay, Mambo number 5, kung anong gusto niya. Diba? So, this is like, the masculine wants his cake and eat it too. Na parang gusto niyang may inuuwian na dissenting babae, pero gusto din niya ng casual connection kapag lalabas siya ng bahay, which is so unfair for the feminine. Okay? Dapat, pareho kayo ng gusto. Kung gusto mong maglaro, humanap ka ng MVP. Okay? Yung pareho mong mapaglaro. Na, okay, yung nagne-networking, o 5 yung side dudes nito, 5 yung side chick mo, at least fair, di ba? Kesa naman naglolokohan kayo, na sabi mo committed ka, tapos paglabas mo, di ba, nagsa-side-eye ka, kung sino-sino, nagde-date ka pa, nagti-Tinder ka pa, that's so unfair, di ba? May karma yon. Okay. So, here, I can see, may prayers and manifestations, tong feminine sa connection na to, na sana, no, the next time, maging mas discerning na siya kasi napapagod na rin yung feminine sa mga fake love offer. Okay? So, sabi nung mga Libra here, very shaky yung foundation ng relationship. I don't know kung ano yung nangyari dito, but hinahanap niya yung may energy dito na parang sobra na rin napapagod at sabi ng mga Libra, parang this time, parang gusto niyang siya naman yung maalagaan. Okay? But I feel yung energy ng person ng mga Libra ay nag-move forward na at ayaw na ng sakit ng ulo. Kumbaga is parang sinara na ang door dito. Parang binigyan na ng closure. Kasi hodang nagkausap pa, nabigyan talaga ng former closure or not. Kumbaga dito is like yung betrayal is enough closure already. In the first place, hindi naman kilala yung isa't isa. Nagkaroon ng deceit. Nagkaroon ng like false promises. False na future na binild kasi hoda, kineso. Okay? So, I feel until the end of, this is about career. Until the end of April, may mga minamanifest ang mga Libra na malaking blessing na mukhang magkakaroon pa ng delays. Let's clarify that. Merong gustong balikan na energy here, but I feel may binubuo pa rin, like may hinihintay, no? I feel this is on the side of the masculine. Meron gustong balikan, may gustong suyuin, someone from the past. This is also an energy of like a soulmate, a past life connection, na gustong balikan. But may problema, parang ano ba yung, sabi niya, ano ba yung may offer niya sa feminine para ma-convince niya? Ano nga ba? Stability, okay? May wino-workout na stability ang masculine dito para sa pagbabalik niya sa feminine, maipakita niya kung ano ba yung buhay din na pwede niyang ibigay sa feminine. But there is a broken heart energy dito because I feel nagkakaroon ng challenges yung masculine na buuin tong pangarap na to in terms of finances. Nagkaroon ng like too many injustice or unfair situation here because of lies and manipulation ng masculine. I don't feel na kapag nagkaroon ng reconnection ay magiging maganda ang pag-uusap. Though may nakikita akong like lies and manipulation or like sabihin natin manipulation on the end of the masculine dahil gusto niyang ma-win back tong feminine. But I feel ready yung feminine sa kanyang script. But this is like avoiding conflict. So if ever man na mag-reach out yung masculine, it's either mabablock or sasabihin lang na hindi interesado. Kasi avoiding conflict, but this is very cold conversation. The masculine wants a reconnection. But sabi ng feminine, she doesn't want any conflict. Kasi alam niya, pag nag-reply pa siya dito, hahaba lang. At magpapabebe, magpapavictim lang tong masculine na to, na ganyan na lang ba? Ganun mo na lang ako iniwanan? Na parang kung sasabihin ng feminine yung buong katotohanan, yes, oo, because in the first place, wala namang katotohanan yung sinabi. Hindi naman siya totally kilala. Kasi kung ano yung pinakilala ng masculine na eto siya, na leader, na ganito, kasi hodang kineso, lahat kasinungalingan. Lahat ng ipinangakong magandang pangarap and long-term kasinungalingan. Mga ipinangakong stability, pera, maginhawang buhay kasinungalingan. So ano pa nga ba yung dapat pag-usapan? Na, I feel hanggang ngayon, yung isinasabi ng masculine na ibibigay niyang buhay ay hinahanap pa rin niya kung saan niya kukunin at saan niya ibibuild at paano niya sisimulan. It's like selling a property, sabi mo, bili ka sa akin, bahay, lupa. Sabi, oh sige, sabi ng feminine, sige, bibili ako, pre-selling ba yan? Ano ba yan? Hindi, ito na yan. Tapos wala palang kahit lupa sa paso, wala. Okay? So, I don't think na magiging maganda pa to. Okay? And if closure yung gusto, matagal nang close tong chapter na to, I feel. So, siguro this is more about cord cutting and this feels more like a karmic connection, no? Na parang okay, karmic, ano yung lesson, ano yung natutunan para pagdating ng next connection, hindi na ulitin, hindi na magkasakitan. And the feminine here is praying na maging mas discerning na siya kasi sabi niya, very precious yung cup of love niya. Hindi na niya basta-basta ibibigay just because of the feeling of attachment, because of that soul connection. Because sometimes, kahit sabi mong may soul connection, hindi naman ready yung di ba, it's like the twin flame or soulmate. Kahit sabihin ng sinong astrologer na, oh, may soul connection yan, very strong, may soul assignment. But kung hindi gumagawa ng life assignment yung isa, paano nga ba magagawa yung project na yan? No. At hindi pa rin ready, hindi pa rin tapos, at wala pa rin full realization yung masculine kung talagang kaya ba niyang bitiwan ang live la vida loca So, feminine, it's up to you, and masculine, no, again, the feminine and masculine energy, the masculine is more on the action taker, more on the aggressive side, more on the, you know, masculine, no, the feminine is more on the receiving side, yeah, so take it how it resonates. Pwedeng, you know, minsan kasi yung babae yung mas dominant action taker, but take it how this resonates. Someone is not ready, but the feminine energy here is being more careful na kasi pagod na siya. Syempre naman, precious ang ating time, and it would be unfair para dun sa tamang tao kung makikilala ka ng tamang tao at wasak na ang iyong emotions, ang iyong trust issues, no? Kung sobrang lost na nung soul mo because of trusting too much. Alam mo, there's like a healthy boundary here. Kahit sabihin mo na tinuro ni Jesus, diba, ni God, na to love each other, may tamang boundaries pa rin, no? No. Bigyan ng tamang boundaries kung nasasaktan ka, kung hindi mapagkatiwalaan, kung maraming lies and deceit. Kahit pa nagkaroon ng kasal sa situation na to, ang sinasabing till death do us part, through thick and thin, ay meron kayong, like, you work on at lalaban kayong dalawa. Pero kung kayo yung magkatunggali, hindi yun yung true thick and thin na sinasabi. Okay? It's like, true thick and thin, okay, sa hirap at ginawa, magkasama kayo na iaahon ang buhay. Pero kung yung isa yung nagdadala ng pahirap, that is ekis. Hindi partnership yon. Guloship. Guloship ang dala nung isa, alright? And that would be like the Libra reading for the month of February. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye!